In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process of sending money from Binance to a Bitcoin wallet, step by step, so you understand exactly how the transfer works and what you need to be careful about during the process. The first thing you need to do is log into your Binance account on your browser or mobile app. Make sure your account is fully accessible and there are no pending security confirmations, because Binance often requires verification before withdrawals. Once you've logged in successfully, you need to have the Bitcoin wallet address where you plan to send the BTC. This address is extremely important, so make sure you copy it correctly from the destination wallet before moving forward. After you have the address ready, go to the top right corner of Binance and hover over the wallet section. From the options that appear, tap on Overview. This page will show you all the assets you currently hold inside your Binance account, including how much you have available and the estimated value in your local currency. Once you're inside the wallet overview, scroll until you find the option called Fiat and Spot. Tap on it, because this is where all of your main crypto balances are stored. You'll see a list of all the coins you own, including Bitcoin. You can also see how much BTC you have and what that amount equals in dollars. To send any portion of this Bitcoin to another wallet, look toward the right side of the screen where the action column is. Under this column, tap on Withdraw. This will take you to the cryptocurrency withdrawal page. On the withdrawal page, the coin should automatically be set to Bitcoin. If it isn't, manually select Bitcoin from the list. After that, make sure the Address Withdrawal option is selected because you are sending BTC to an external wallet, not to another Binance user. Now you need to enter the wallet address. Paste the Bitcoin address you copied earlier. Always double-check the address before proceeding, because crypto transactions cannot be reversed once completed. Next, you'll see the Network section. Binance may automatically detect the correct network based on the wallet address, but in case it doesn't, you must choose the right one manually. This part is extremely important. Bitcoin should be sent using the BTC network, but some wallets also support receiving wrapped versions on other networks like BSC or Ethereum. If the network you choose does not match the wallet-supported network, your Bitcoin may not arrive, and it can be permanently lost, so always confirm the correct network before sending. After selecting the right network, scroll down and enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. You can enter a specific amount or simply choose the maximum amount available in your account. Once you've entered the amount, you can also check whether you are sending from your Spot wallet or your funding wallet. Most users keep Bitcoin in the Spot wallet. But if your BTC is stored in another section, you can select the correct one here. When everything looks correct, your address, the network, and the amount, you can proceed by tapping on Withdraw. Binance may ask you to enter security verification codes, such as email codes, SMS codes, or authenticator codes to confirm the transaction. Once verified, Binance will process the withdrawal and send your Bitcoin to the specified wallet. And that's the complete process of sending Bitcoin from Binance to a Bitcoin wallet.